Welcome to Kakshaspark. Hello little learners. Today we will learn CVC words with sound add. Add. Let's see some words with sound add. Add. Dad. Add. Lad. Add. Bad. Add. Sad. Let's repeat. Dad, lad, bad, sad. One more time. Dad, lad, bad, sad. Let's practice add words. Dad, mad, bad, dad. Had, lad, fat, bad. Sad, glad, glad, shad. Read again with me. Dad, mad, bad, dad, had, lad, fat, bad, sad, glad, shad. Keep practicing phonics with Kakshaspark.